Experiencing a constant restart on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. This is a boot loop, and it means your iPhone is unable to complete its startup sequence. The most common cause is a software glitch, particularly after an iOS update or app installation. Apple released iOS 18.3.1 on September 20th, 2025, specifically to address boot loops related to the A18 chip. First, force restart your iPhone by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. After restart, check for a software update by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates, including iOS 18.3.1, which contains a boot loop recovery tool. In most cases, this update will resolve the issue. If the problem persists, proceed to the next section. If a software update doesn't resolve the boot loop, advanced troubleshooting is needed. Try restoring your iPhone using Finder on Mac or iCloud. Make sure you have a recent backup before attempting this, as it will erase your device. Connect your iPhone to your computer and put it into recovery mode. Search online for instructions specific to iPhone 17 to enter recovery mode. If restoring from a backup still results in a boot loop, it could indicate a deeper hardware problem, like a faulty logic board or storage chip. In such cases, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. Hardware-related issues are typically covered under Apple's 1-year warranty. Avoid third-party repairs, as they can void your warranty. As a preventative measure, always keep your iOS updated. Avoid using unverified third-party chargers and regularly back up your data.